how to check recently viewed posts on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, now if you want to check recently viewed posts on Instagram, you'll have to make some kind of interaction with the post. So if you do not have any sort of interaction, you'll not be able to check it. So for example, let me select or let me like this picture over here. Now, if I want to check recently viewed posts on Instagram, you can simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select on the hamburger icon, and as you select on the hamburger icon, you can see the option of your activity. So select on that. Now, you can see the option of interaction, and here, as you can see, I've already just liked the post. So I'm going to tap on like. And as you tap on likes, there you go. You can see the post right there. So that's how you can check recently viewed posts on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.